In a lush garden, Ned the Nightingale had always been mocked by the cackle of crows for his unusually shrill voice. However, Ned, undeterred by the taunts, chose to practice his singing near a bustling human village every night. As days turned to weeks, the villagers became so enchanted by his persistent melodies that they began recording and playing them to calm restless babies. Inspired by his newfound role, Ned presented a TED Talk-like speech, sharing his journey of transformation through persistence and resilience. He explained how embracing one's unique voice, even when not immediately appreciated, can lead to unexpected opportunities and relationships. His story underscored the profound impact of turning personal trials into triumphs, inspiring others to celebrate their individuality.